Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyles. First, we will take the hairs and make the plaits on it. Now pull out the hairs from the sides. Now roll the hairs upward and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides. Take small section, roll it together and put the hair clip. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Fix the hairs together, tie it. Now tie all the hairs. After tying it, we will tie it from the bottom as well and then roll it upward and fix it to make a bun. Put the bun pin and fix it. And it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie the plaits on it like this. Fix the hairs, make the plaits properly, tie it. Now take another section of the hairs from the sides and follow the same step. Fix it together. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will tie the hairs into two parts. Now take small sections from the sides, join them in the between one by one. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Take this step to the bottom of the hairs, fix it in the same manner, tie it properly, fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts, divide it from the between. Now fix them into each other. Now tie a rubber band and then fix it. Now again fix it from the bottom, rotate the hairs, tie it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail. Divide the hairs into four parts. Now take the hairs from the sides one by one and fix it like this. Make the plaits properly and fix it in the between like this. Make the plaits, tie them and join the hairs. Fix it from the bottom and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Watch the technique here properly how we fix the hairs and it's done. Next, take small sections from the sides. Take them and join them one by one and then roll the hairs and also make the plaits in the same manner as shown. Fix the hairs and put the small sections like this in the line. Take it to the right side as we are doing in this video. After you are done with this step, fix the hairs on the back and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now roll the hairs like this. First divide the hairs and then make the plaits like this. After you are done with this, take this step till the bottom of the hairs. Tie it in the same manner. So fix it in the half like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides. Tie it using a rubber band. Now tie the hairs from the bottom, rotate it and then fix it over the hairs. Tie it from the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and join them in the between. Fix the hairs one by one, tie it, make the plaits by taking the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.